After such a great bullish run, Shiba Inu price is showing major price correction lately. This price drop is because of a major sale off that happened recently after the listing on Coinbase. But the price of the Shiba Inu coin bounced back in quarter 4 of 2021. What are major supportive catalysts heading in this quarter? And most importantly, what Robinhood is just planning for meme coins and other crypto asset in this quarter 4. Recently, Robinhood CEO Vladimir Tanev was questioned about Shiba Inu coin listing on Robinhood app during his October 2021 first appearance on CNBC's Made Money, but every Shiba Inu holder is waiting for the announcement of SHIB listing on Robinhood. Is this going to happen soon? How much price pump can be expected with this listing, and most importantly, what CEO of Robinhood answered about Shiba Inu coin listing? These questions will be answered today. So let's get started. Everyone wants to get good return in the last quarter of this year. Many of us already got enough profit from Shiba Inu in the second quarter of 2021 in mainly in August month. Still, many SHIB holders are holding millions of tokens expecting that Shiba Inu will cut few zeros out from its price and will give good returns. If you are one of those holders are planning to buy Shiba Inu dips, then this video is for you. Let's discuss major upcoming Shiba Inu events and sportive catalysts that are very likely to launch in this last quarter which can boost Shiba Inu price. The major upcoming catalyst is the Robinhood crypto wallet release which Robinhood officially announced on Twitter. Recently, we got the news that Robinhood is secretly testing the crypto wallets. This news was just reported on Bloomberg by their reporters Annie Massa and Mark Gurman. As per their news, Robinhood Markets Inc. is testing new crypto wallets and crypto currency transfer features for its app. This will allow customers to send and receive digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu coin. Recently, the official account of Market Rebellion tweeted that SHIB is getting listed on Robinhood. According to a tweet, he states SHIB reportedly coming to Robinhood. This itself pumped Shiba Inu price by 12%. And again, Weather Guru acknowledged this and said, rumor Robinhood is said to be listing SHIB soon, not confirmed. But to avoid such rumors and to make their announcement valuable, Robinhood tweeted and settled this rumor. They tweeted, "We have not made any announcements with regarding to SHIB or any other upcoming coins. But the good point is they are not even denying this rumor." So according to experts, Robinhood is also set to list Shiba Inu but want to make value of their own announcement than rumor. Another major price boosting update is CoinMarketCap bullish tweaks. CoinMarketCap is recently acting so bullish towards Shiba Inu and trying to push Shiba price. But what exactly CoinMarketCap is? It is the world's most reference price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. Moving further, let's check CEO Vladimir Tanev's thoughts on Shiba Inu listing on Robinhood. Recently, during CNBC's Made Money, Robinhood CEO Vladimir Tanev was questioned about Shiba Inu coin listing on Robinhood app. When Jim Cramer, the host of the show, asked whether or not the leading online trading app was intended to list the Shiba Inu token, he asked, "Okay, we like that. Are they dollar cost averaging into things like what people are chatting about Shiba?" Now I feel somewhat embarrassed to say that they are talking about Shiba, but that's what they are doing. Are you seeing Shiba traded? Is it on your platform, or will you recognize it on your platform? Tanev said that he had heard a lot of people in that community. Tanev said that he heard much about the community of Shiba Inu coin. And further statement of Robinhood confirmed that they don't want to talk about their decision on the Shiba Inu coin listing. Yet he seemingly ducked the question and refused either to confirm or deny that the listing is indeed going to happen, prompting even more consideration. After having paused, CEO Tanev went on to mention that Robinhood only offers 7 coins and stressed that the company prioritizes Safety. I think it goes back to safety first. We are not generally going to be the first to add any news asset. We wanna make sure that it goes through a stringent set of criteria. So he dodged the question and neither confirmed nor denied the Shiba Inu listing on Robinhood by saying, "We only offer 7 coins currently, and I think it goes back to safety first. So we are not generally going to be the first to add any new asset. We want to make sure that it goes through a stringent set of criteria, and we are very proud of our cryptocurrency platform and giving people more utility with the coins they have." And how much price boost can we expect at what time? According to crypto enthusiasts, Robinhood is working to make it a bug-free listing and making servers ready to handle intense trade pressure. Further, security and stability are what Robinhood is concerned about. These are the major reasons listing is getting delayed. What are your thoughts about these listing? Will it help Shiba Inu to reach 1 cent? Do let us know in the comment section down below. With this, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.